Hello guys. You watching Top 5 Best Tankless Water Heaters in 2018. Number 5. EcoTemp FVI 12 LP. True 1/2 NPT fittings. Sleek modern design. Power ventilation for safety and efficiency. 74,500 BTUs. Hot water capacity range, 0.93 to 4.8 GPM. Digital temperature display with fully independent gas and water controls. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 4. RINA RUC98IN. N/A. Imported. Concentric or PVC venting option. Up to 0.96 energy factor / up to 0.92 uniform energy factor. The space-saving design allows installation almost anywhere. Ultra-low NOx emissions. 199,000 max BTU. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. Stiebel Eltron Temper Plus. Digital temperature control. Proven reliability. No venting required. Sleek design fits anywhere. Save at least 15 to 20% on the hot water portion of your electric bill. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. EcoSmart. Savings of up to 50% on water heating costs. Dimensions 17H x 17W x 3.625D inches, pipes fittings 3/4 inch NPT. Digital temperature control in 1 degree increments allows control of hot water. Copper and stainless components designed for efficiency, durability, and easy replacement. Compact size saves valuable storage space, while the stylish and advanced design is pleasing to the eye, and copper and stainless components designed for efficiency, durability, and easy replacement. Prior to purchase and installation, please verify that this model is the right size for your hot water needs and electrical requirements. Electrical requirements: 27 kilowatts, 240 volts, 340 required breakers, 112.5 maximum power, amp, 8 required wire. Required breaker quantity, 340 amp double pole. Recommended electrical panel, 200 amps. Never run out of hot water with an EcoSmart tankless water heater. Save up to 12 cubic feet of storage space. Digital temperature control in 1 degree increments gives users complete control of hot water. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 1. Takagi TH3DVN. Endless hot water, on-demand usage, compact, space-saving, energy conservation. Computerized safety features, no pilot light to have to worry about. Satisfies the 2012 SCOCMD Rule 1146.2 for ultra-low NOx emissions. Please check the description for details and update price.